In this video, I would like to show you how to use this pivot chart button from over here and what it does. Normally, when we are in Excel and want to create a pivot table, we just select this pivot table button over here and it will create it. There's also this option here called pivot chart. And if you expand it, you have two things, pivot chart and pivot table and pivot chart. So these buttons both do almost the same thing, at least in my Excel version. So I will select the first one. It will say create a pivot chart, and you are maybe already familiar with this. You have to select where to put it and which range to use, and we've already done that. So I'm going to hit OK, and immediately this is going to create an empty pivot table and an empty chart, but these two are linked here. So when I go on and add data to the pivot table, like this count of ticket ID over here, and I'm adding maybe the status to see how many tickets are in each status. And notice how along the pivot table also the chart gets updated as well. So this is another nice representation of data in Microsoft Excel that we have access to. We can create a pivot chart which will create a pivot table and the chart, but the only difference is that the chart would be dependent on the pivot table, and every time you would update the pivot table, also the chart will get updated. I hope this is useful to you. It's quite neat if you want to do simple things, simple calculations. So let me know if you're going to use it. Subscribe if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, comment if you have any issues.